Bionaire has developed the most ambitious dental contra angle on the market. It's the thinner, the lightest, the quietest, the most comfortable and resistant. This dental contra angle doesn't lack of superlatives. It's the alliance of a smaller head and a thinner handle for a precise work. Visibility and accessibility are the key words of this innovation. Nova is made of stainless steel for 4 times more resistance. Its monoblock handle significantly reduces vibrations and sound, increasing the comfort of use. Nova is equipped with the CoolTouch Plus technology patented by Bionaire, preventing any heat buildup for a safe operation. All Nova Contra angle lineup is available in standard or micro series version. The micro series is up to 30% shorter than the standard version. The Nova Contra angle micro series lineup are also lighter. The micro series assure an optimal weight balance and wrist fatigue reduction. Nova is also equipped with a check valve to reduce the risks of cross-contamination. At Bionaire, we believe that the quality and reliability of our instruments is the quality and precision of your work. Can you imagine your car engine running without oil? No. Did you know that a contra angle spins 60 times faster than a car engine? So you can imagine the most importance of lubricating your instruments between each patient.